Hi, I'm Colin Fiedler, Service Manager at Acura of Brookfield. Acura of Brookfield offers many great benefits and conveniences to make servicing your vehicle easier. Our service team consists of 10 ASE certified master technicians with a combined 170 years of service at the dealership and 3 service advisors with over 60 years of Acura service experience. Every service includes a free multi-point inspection and a complimentary car wash and vacuum. We are pleased to offer Acura Accelerated Service, which is similar to a quick lube service but is performed by Acura factory-trained technicians. These services can be done in 30 minutes or less or under 1 hour with a complimentary car wash and vacuum. Another great benefit is no appointment is necessary during the week. While your vehicle is being serviced, we can provide you with various alternate transportation options. If your vehicle service totals 90 minutes or more, we can provide you with an Acura precision-crafted courtesy vehicle to use. We also offer shuttle service Monday through Friday. We understand it may not always be easy to visit us when your vehicle is due for service. Since 2014, we have offered concierge pickup and delivery service to the entire Milwaukee metro area. We will pick up your vehicle at your home or office, provide a loaner to use, and return your vehicle when the service is complete. If you choose to wait for your vehicle, the waiting lounge is fully stocked with Starbucks coffee, teas, soda, juice, and bottled water. Free Wi-Fi, private client workstations, TV lounge, and quiet lounges are available. Everything we do is tied to making the service experience enjoyable, comfortable, and a good use of time. Scheduling your next service couldn't be any easier. We have online scheduling available on our website, acurabrookfield.com, and our free mobile app. Our service schedulers are also available during business hours at 262-565-6519 to assist and answer any questions you may have. And remember, for Acura Accelerated Service, no appointment is necessary during the week.